Welcome to today's review on the Bernette B79 Sewing and Embroidery Machine Deluxe Embroidery Design Tools Bundle. This machine is a remarkable combination of precision and creativity, offering a highly intuitive sewing and embroidery experience with professional-level features that inspire any crafter and beginner alike. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this sewing and embroidery machine at the best price in the market. The Bernette B79 is designed to merge the robust sewing functions of the Bernette B77 with the rich embroidery capabilities of the Bernette B70 Deco, delivering versatility in one sleek machine. One of the most impressive aspects is the inclusion of 3 embroidery hoops: a large 6x10-inch hoop, a medium 4.7x7-inch hoop, and a small 2x3-inch hoop, allowing you to tackle projects of any size with confidence. The machine comes with a 5-inch color touchscreen that makes selecting patterns, adjusting stitches, and previewing your designs effortless and visually clear, making the workflow smooth and enjoyable. With 300 pre-installed embroidery motifs and access to over 500 exclusive embroidery designs through the Bernina Toolbox Embroidery Software, you can personalize every project and even add lettering and editing to create truly unique pieces. The bundle includes 60 high-quality Northern Lights threads, which cover a stunning range of colors and add vibrancy to your designs while ensuring durability and smooth stitching. The Bernette B79 also offers a wide variety of presser feet, including free motion embroidery foot, oval embroidery foot, blind stitch foot for dual feed, zipper foot, overlock foot, button sew on foot, buttonhole foot with slide, and zigzag foot for dual feed, which gives you the flexibility to handle multiple fabrics and sewing techniques without limitations. Additional practical accessories like the slide-on table, standard bobbins, Bernina needles, power cable, brush seam ripper, quick start guide, foot pedal bobbins, spool net, touchscreen pen, knee lifter, and seam guide are all included, so you can start your projects immediately without the need to purchase extras. The machine is electric and corded, ensuring stable performance, while its compact dimensions of 20 inches deep, 23 inches wide, and 22 inches high fit easily on most workspaces while weighing 43.1 pounds, making it portable yet sturdy. While the Bernette B79 excels in versatility and ease of use, the touchscreen may require a short learning curve for complete beginners, and the machine's price point reflects its premium bundle, making it an investment worth considering for those serious about sewing and embroidery. Despite this, the value is undeniable given the sheer range of tools, threads, and software included, enabling you to work on complex and creative projects right away. Users consistently praise the smooth stitching quality, fast setup, and the creative freedom the machine offers, making it suitable for both hobbyists and semi-professional use. Whether you plan to create custom garments, home decor items, or personalized gifts, the Bernette B79 is capable of handling intricate designs with precision, while its embroidery software and multiple hoops expand your creative possibilities. The machine allows for seamless switching between sewing and embroidery tasks, saving time and effort, while the included presser feet and accessories ensure that every stitch is executed accurately, whether you are working on delicate fabrics or thicker materials. In terms of maintenance, the machine is user-friendly with easy access to bobbins, threading, and cleaning points, keeping your workflow uninterrupted and efficient. Overall, the sewing and embroidery machine combines functionality, durability, and elegance in one package, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking to elevate their crafting projects, and the deluxe bundle of tools and threads ensures you have everything necessary to begin immediately. The Bernette B79 empowers users to explore new techniques, create professional-looking embroidery designs, and enjoy the process with minimal frustration and maximum creativity. For those ready to take their sewing and embroidery projects to the next level, this machine offers a balanced combination of user-friendly operation, advanced design features, and a comprehensive accessory bundle that enhances every aspect of the creative process. Make sure to click the link in description below to explore the Bernette B79 Sewing and Embroidery Machine Deluxe Embroidery Design Tools Bundle and experience firsthand the convenience, quality, and artistic possibilities that this machine brings to your crafting world.